think something happened. Yeah, got cut off. Yeah.
All right, guys. So, Sahitya, how are you? Shivani, how are you?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
So, where are your videos? Today is my exception. I'm always on videos. I'm going to come on videos. Until unless you're in the shower, please come on videos.
All right.
What is wrong with you? You need to get jobs. You need to be on interviews, right? Who is going to give you a check if you're not having videos? No, you are forcing me to put on a shirt and a pant and come on video. I'll be with you in 30 seconds. Like how they have a virtual background, they can't have a virtual shirt. And if someone has any business idea, please make me a partner. All right, guys. Just a quick call, not to take a lot of your time. So again, the point is I know Michael and Sahitya, you guys are in CDM, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Shivani, you are in drug safety. And Chris, who is just joining, will be in drug safety. There are, I think, for this batch, we have total of 12 students in drug safety, and we have 7 in CDM. You're going to hear from all of them in different points. Some of them are nurses, some of them are working in retail, so they may not be able to join the classes with you in the evening shifts, but they go through the recordings. That's something that I want you to know. So what I wanted to just to go over here, even though it's just 4 of you, is I just wanted to give a before I say something, give you lots of do's and do nots. I want to stick to just 1 or 2 points so that I kind of drive the point home rather than talking and then boring you to death. I want to go over the room with your name, your highest level of education, your location, and we go from there. Michael, how about you go from the top?
Sure. My name is Michael. I am an ICU nurse for the last 25, 28 years.
Okay.
I live, I'm based in New York. It's somewhere in Long Island, maybe an hour away from New York City.
So which country you're from, basically?
Oh, I was born in the Philippines, but I moved here when I was 16 years old. So.
Okay, awesome. Where in Philippines?
Oh, in the city, Manila.
Manila.
Yeah.
I've been to Manila, that's why I'm asking.
Okay.
I've been to Manila, Naga City, Cebu, Palau.